Makeup. Breakfast is ready.
Thank you. Wait a minute. I don't have a girlfriend. Damn it. Hello world, this is Coco Martech, and today we are going to review this affordable, foldable, lazy bed desk, portable laptop wooden table that I bought in Lazada for just 185 pesos. But before we start our video, please consider giving this video a like, a thumbs up, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So let's start our video and welcome back to another episode of
TT with Coco Martech.
So let's start our video by unboxing this table. Wait, there's no box. So let's start our video by unplasticking this table. So I bought this table for 185 pesos, and again, I'll be putting the affiliate link down in the description box if you want to order right away. So I waited for 2 days for this table to be delivered. It was nicely wrapped in bubble wrap, well, a lot of bubble wrap, so it was kind of hard to cut the bubble wraps, and there were no dents, there were no damages, there were no scratches that I know of when I unplastic this table. It was kind of dusty, but that's okay since you can just wipe it clean right away. The table is built from wood. It's nicely designed, it looks elegant and classy. It has different colors that you can order online. The elegant black, which is the one that I bought, the dark wood, white, blue, and pink. The dimensions of the table is 60 centimeters by 40 centimeters by 28 centimeters. The table legs are kind of flimsy and loose, and I don't know if that's the problem of the table that I got or that's just the build quality of all the tables of this product. It's very lightweight. You can easily carry this. If you're going to buy this for your children, they can easily carry this table, and you can easily put or use big laptops for your tables. It's a 16-inch laptop. You can easily put this on your table. The legs are made of steel, and you have rubber thingies that are attached on the ends of the table legs in order to avoid slips. So what can you do with this table? So I'll be giving away 10 tips or reasons why you should buy this table. Okay, number 1 is for surprise breakfast. So if you have a partner and if you want to surprise him or her for a lovely breakfast, you can easily do this with this table. Or maybe if you have done something wrong and if you want to do something nice for your partner, you can easily do this with this foldable table. Number 2, of course, is you can eat lunch or dinner with this table if you prefer eating on the bed, and if you want to simultaneously eat and watch your favorite movie or your favorite series. Number 3 is you can write your assignments, your journals, your to-do list for your next day. Basically you can use this to write, or maybe you can also draw or practice drawing. Number 4, of course, you can use this while working. And of course, it's quarantine time, it's a pandemic, so almost everyone is working from home, working at home, and again, you can work and study simultaneously while watching the television, which I normally do before. Number 5 is you can use this for an extra table if you're having a movie night. Maybe your place is too cramped, a lot of people are with you watching a movie and you don't have any space left to put your food, your drinks. Number 6 is you can drink coffee while watching TV. Since there's a hole specifically for drinks, you can put your coffee there, and again, drink while watching your television. Number 7 is you can put your tablet or smartphone on the space designated on the table. For example, if your partner is watching your television and if you want to watch on your smartphone or your tablet and put your headphones on, you can do this with this foldable table. Number 8, maybe if you just want to work on the floor and or you don't have any bed, you can do that by using this foldable table. Number 9 is you can use this as a tray if you're going to cook in the kitchen and you don't have a tray at your home, you can use this as a tray to put your food, your drinks, and deliver it in your room. Number 10 is you can also use this for board games. For example, if you have guests or your family members invited you to play some board games like maybe card games, some Uno, Organ Attack, or something like those. So those are 10 ways that you can use this table during this quarantine activities or quarantivities. But wait, there's more. A bonus reason to buy this table is you can use this as a weapon. So maybe there's an intruder, a robber, or if you just want to hit someone with this table, never mind. So that's it for this review of this very affordable table that I bought online, which is, again, I bought this for 185 pesos. So I'm not sure if the price will still be the same, and again, this was delivered for 2 days. So if you're looking for an affordable foldable table, make sure to check out the link that I'll be putting in the description box down below. Maybe you can also comment down a way that you thought of that you can use this table for. So comment down below. So that's it for this video. This is Coco Mart Tech. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Keep safe.